Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install the RedmineUP Budgets plugin on a Bitnami stack that is installed on Linux operating system. So the very first thing is that you have to go into your core Redmine folder, which in our case is Redmine 4117. And the next thing is to open your Manage Linux run file. You have to double click on it. Then you have to go to Manage Servers tab and then Start All Processes. Here you are going to start your database as well as your web server. We wait a little bit because it's going to take some time. So we see that both processes are now running. Just to double check if everything is fine, we have to go and open our Redmine. We just wait a little bit because starting for the first time is taking some time. So we see that our Redmine Bitnami stack is correctly running. Just a quick check, we are going to see our plugins list. So here we are going to install RedmineUP Budgets plugin. So the very first thing that you have to do is to go into your license manager and download the very latest pro version of the plugin, which in our case is 103. However, you could also install the light free version of the plugin. Just to double check if there is a free version. Actually no. This plugin has only pro versions available, so there is no light free version of it. Sorry about that. However, there are some plugins of RedmineUP that has a light version, for example the Agile plugin and some others. When you click download now, there is a light free version available. However, the budget plugin, there is no such a version. Okay, so when you get the pro version of the budgets plugin, the latest pro version, the first thing that you have to do is just to extract your archive and then go into the inner folder and then copy this one, Redmine/budgets. So you have to go back here on your core Redmine folder and then go into your apps folder and then Redmine and then htdocs. Here you have to find the plugins folder and paste it there. Okay, so the next thing is to open your command line. Just to a bit zoom it. Okay, here you have to navigate into your core Redmine folder and then you have to execute the use Redmine file. It is done via /use Redmine. So we are now into Redmine. Okay, so now we have to change the directory to our core Redmine and then apps Redmine htdocs. Okay, the very first command here that you have to execute is the bundle install. This command is going to install the required gems for the budgets plugin to be able to work. Okay, the next command that you have to do is the migration. So it is done via the following command. Here into the names section, you have to set your plugin's name. In our situation, it is Redmine/budgets. We wait a little bit for the migration to be executed. Okay, so we are done. And the last thing that you have to do is to just restart our Bitnami. It is going to be done via the Restart All button here. So the database as well as the web server are going to be restarted. So all the applied changes that we have done by now are going to be available and done and appearing. But we wait for the restart process. Okay, so everything is running fine now, so just we have to go back and see if everything is fine. We refresh our page and wait a little bit. So we see that our Budgets plugin has just appeared and our job is done. We have successfully installed the Redmine Budgets plugin on a Bitnami stack that is installed on Linux operating system. So thank you very much for watching this video and see you into the next one. Bye bye.